What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy JP the install guy. Hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2007. What car is this? Toyota 4Runner SR5. I'm going to show you how to take these front and rear speakers out and replace them with your own aftermarket speakers. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing, because that's what we do here. Anything car audio install related. From time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might help you. So first thing we want to do is we want to come to this little part. It has a little triangle piece on here, and I went on ahead and took it off. I forgot I took it off, but pop it on. Pop it off. That's first thing. Next, you have this little deal right here. Now let me turn my light on so you can see what I do. There is a small center pin in the middle. You want to push it lightly, very lightly, and then you want to pull that out, and then you put that back on by pushing this out and then sticking that inside here and then pushing the pin in. So that's one. Next, you want to come over here, take our little profile, pop off this little door. That's going to reveal one Phillips head screw right there. Then we have this part of the armrest. You want to go ahead and pop that up. That's going to reveal another Phillips head screw. Now while we're here, this little light has to be disconnected, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect that right there. Now let's go ahead and get these two screws out, because that's the only thing holding the door panel. All right, so now that those two screws are out, let's bring my hand down here to a low point, grab this little ridge. Good God Almighty. God. Okay, let's start right here. There we go. Get a little bit of good night. I don't want to have to grab them out. Okay, there we go. Stick my hand behind there. Got that panel pretty wavy. Just want to lift up on the panel now. Now that I've lifted up on the panel, I got these two. Pop it out, pull it up, green on top, green on bottom, white on top. Pop that one out and pull that one down. All right, now we got two wiring harnesses. Pull that down. All right, y'all, so I have no shame in admitting this. That harness was getting on my last nerve. I fought with that thing for about 10 minutes off camera. So I actually literally just have it propped up, sitting inside the doorway. It's not putting any strain or stress on this, because the door is actually sitting inside the windowsill. So we're good. Either way, you want to go ahead and take this, pull that out. That's going to be a speaker harness. We'll get to that in a little bit. And then we have 4 Phillips head screws, or you can use a 10mm socket. All right, and that is that speaker. Now here we already have the speaker mounted inside the bracket, and we already have our speaker harness already installed on here. Now the good thing about the speaker harness is that it already comes with positive and negative butt connector terminals on them, and the white stands for positive, the black stands for negative, so there are no guesswork. You don't have to worry about if it's in the right polarity or not. All you have to do is literally stick this in and hook this straight up. Just like that. And then we have this in the bracket. So now our 6x9 is going to mount up right back to those factory holes. So I'm going to go ahead and finger tighten those 10 mils in and then drill them back in. All right, so don't worry about it. We'll have all these links in the description for you. I will have the brackets. I will have these. I'll also have some suggested speakers of the ones that you can use for better quality. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this door panel off of the edge of the door, just because I don't like it hanging there. And then I'm going to put it back on, then we'll get to the back. All right, guys, so we are here at the back door. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to start by popping off this top door part. if you know how to do one door panel, you literally know how to do all the other ones. They're just going to be a little small differences between the front and the rear because they're smaller doors, but you will still do the same process. We're going to go ahead and take that light off so we ain't got to worry about it. Next, take the screws out. All right, lift up on the door. This harness ain't gonna give me that much trouble. All right, that door panel is 100% off. Just gonna set it right there. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Speaker harness out. You only have 3 Phillips, 1, 2 at the top, and there's 1 at the bottom. And here we have another speaker bracket with the speaker already mounted. We have the speaker harness already inside. And that's it. That is simple as it gets. Now, there's going to be some people that say, man, you didn't show yourself mounting the speaker inside the bracket. It's not hard. You take 4 screws and you mount your speaker inside the bracket. Very, very simple. Now, what I could have done is I could have clipped these on first, ran them through the hole, mounted the bracket first, hooked the speaker harness up to the speaker and then mounted the speaker. But I like to do this on the test bench first. That way I literally just have to take the speaker out, put the speaker on, plug this in, and this is literally going to cut your install time in half by using the right parts, because now we don't have to worry about mounting this speaker directly to the metal of the door, and we don't have to worry about cutting it to make it fit. We don't have to worry about finding out what's positive, what's negative, doing any type of solder, heat shrink, or trying to find the polarity. It's all done for us. This is literally about as plug and play as it can get. Like I said, product links will be in the description. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I'd like to take this time to thank all of the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me and the channel, and that really goes a long way with me. I would like to let you guys know that the introduction to car audio courses are being made right now for the one who's a big do-it-yourselfer. Maybe you're inspired to be an installer, or maybe you were in car audio a while back and you want to get back into it. Get those at JPtheinstallguy.com. Until next time, keep going, keep growing. Have a blessed day. Peace.